Hi guys! Welcome sa Siplayan. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on calculus. No? And kung sinusundan nyo itong series natin, ang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang derivative ng trigonometric functions. No? So, in this video, we will get the derivative of sine x over 1 plus cosine x. No? So, sa pagkuha ng derivative, napag-aralan natin itong mga formulas na to. No? We have the constant rule, we have the constant multiple rule, we have the power rule, sum and difference rule, product rule, tsaka quotient rule. So ano ang dito? Anong gagamitin nyo dito para sa pagkuha nitong derivative ng sine x over 1 plus cosine x? Quotient rule kasi quotient of two functions siya, di ba? So ang quotient rule, sinasabi niya you get the derivative of f of x, yung function natin sa numerator, tapos multiply by g of x, and then minus f of x, and then get the derivative of g of x, and then all over g of x quantity squared, no? Or g of x squared. So, paano yun? So, y prime, diba naalala nyo, pwede natin yung derivative, pwede natin siyang i-denote as y prime, diba? So, we get the derivative of f of x of sine x, no? And then multiply by 1 plus cosine x. And then subtract, no? Kunin naman natin yung derivative nitong 1 plus cosine x. And then, yung sine x naman yung hindi, no? As is lang. And then, yung nasa baba is g of x quantity squared, di ba? Cosine x quantity squared. Okay, so we have, what's the derivative of sine x? Derivative of sine x is cosine x, no? So, tignan nyo na lang yung derivative of trigonometric functions nyo dyan, yung formulas. And then 1 plus cosine x, and then minus, what is the derivative of 1 plus cosine x? Di ba pag by the summation rule, kukunin mo yung derivative ng 1 which is 0, so wala na to. And then you get the derivative of cosine x which is negative sine x. And then meron pa tayong sine x sa dulo. Over 1 plus cosine x quantity squared. So we distribute. By distributive property, we have cosine x plus cosine squared x, and then minus negative is plus, di ba? What else? Sine squared x. Sine x times sine x is sine squared x. Cosine x times cosine x is cosine squared x. Then 1 plus cosine x squared, quantity squared. Baka nagtaka kayo kung saan ito galing, no? Yan, g of x, di ba? Quantity squared. Or g of x squared. Meaning, kung ano man yung function natin sa g of x, yun na ini-square natin. So, dyan yan galing. But, sa trigonometry ninyo, napag-aaralan nyo na cosine squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. So, ito yan, 1 yan. Meaning, pwede natin isulat to as 1 plus cosine squared x. So, 1 plus cosine x. O kaya, pwede rin na cosine x plus 1. Pero since 1 plus cosine x to, balik rin na lang natin. Magiging 1 plus cosine x over 1 plus cosine x quantity squared. Pero ano ibig sabihin ng 1 plus cosine x quantity squared? Di ba 1 plus cosine x times 1 plus cosine x? Di ba ganyan? This one is equal to this one. But here, we can cancel out 1 plus cosine x. Pag dinivide ko siya sa 1 plus cosine x, magiging 1 yan. Magiging 1 to. So, cancel, magiging 1 yung numerator natin. Kaya magiging sagot natin dyan is 1 over 1 plus cosine x. So, ang derivative ng y equals sine x over 1 plus cosine x, ang derivative niya ay y prime is equal to 1 over 1 plus cosine x. Ito yung kanyang derivative. Ito yung sagot natin. Okay, so huwag niyo kalimutan na yung derivative ay slope siya ng function. So, ang slope nito ay yung function natin. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to. Invite ko kayo sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/9ph. Gusto ko rin kayong invite sa Facebook page natin, facebook.com/9ph, at sa ating website. Subscribe kayo, no, at mag-comment kayo dyan, at pwede nyo rin i-share yung video and i-like. No? Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.